Thank you for watching another episode of Stallones Reviews. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to reach 50 subscribers by the end of September. Only 27 more to go. Please subscribe. I'm trying to build a community of like-minded hobbyists who love model building of all types. Through Stallones Reviews, you can find your next project and talk to others about their latest projects. Today I'm reviewing the Lightning by Mould. Stay tuned at the end of the review to see how the Lightning, I'm going to call it the Blue Lightning, does the road and off. Be patient with us though, we are trying to on a new camera, the DJI Osmo 3. The Blue Lightning is a 515-piece LEGO Technic brick style remote controlled car. Overall I had fun with this kit, but it is very challenging for such a small build. This was what I would say an affordable kit, but you get what you pay for, and you didn't pay for LEGO quality instructions. When you hear the list of things I didn't like, you're going to think I didn't like this kit, but that's not true. I had fun, but you need to know going into this build, when you buy this kit, that you are in for a challenging build. The build looks fantastic. It was a challenging build, so if you're game for a challenge like I am, this is a great inexpensive option. On a smooth, flat surface, this car runs excellently. The battery life was good, giving me at least 20 minutes of operation. As a kid, many years ago, I would have remote control cars that went through 8 batteries every 15 minutes, so this is actually pretty awesome. The remote control worked very well with a range that allowed about 49 yards of travel. The instructions were difficult to follow and not LEGO quality, with the construction remaining very floppy for most of the build. The bags were numbered, but there wasn't numbering in the book. You do work through the bags sequentially. You must start by opening the first 4 bags. When you run out of parts, then it's time to move on to the next bag. There were instructions where the construction is shown on the back side of the model, and it's tough to see what you need to do. Pages 3 and 6 show installing a rubber band around the strut. It doesn't show you any of the installations there very well, including that you need to wrap the rubber band twice. A few steps down, it's easier to see how this step should have looked. I got stuck at this instruction on page 3. They're putting this white band on, and then they really don't tell you exactly, at least not very well, how that has to happen. What I've done is looped it over these 2 parts and then twisted it and doubled it over again, and I hope that's right. There is some wiring to be done with this build, but the instructions didn't tell you how to route the wires to avoid the wires that might get scuffed on the ground or get caught in a rolling wheel. Fortunately, it isn't that hard to figure out the safe wiring. This is a small thing, but the build on the box didn't exactly match the build once it was completed. In operation, the car can really only tolerate smooth, flat surfaces. I didn't have the opportunity to try it out on sand. If I had that opportunity, maybe it is kind of a sand buggy. It'd be kind of nice to see how it does on it, but I don't have any sand around here. I had significant trouble with the strut popping off the ball joint because it didn't snap on tightly enough on the right side. I put a small piece of plastic wrap over the ball joint and then snapped it together. This gave it enough girth to stay connected. As built, reaching the on-off button or charging it is impossible. I removed a problematic piece that fixes right up though. Would I do it again? Yeah, I would do it again. In fact, they had 2 other remote control cars on the same page as this one, which I would love to build and review, but my current budget won't allow it. If you're in a position to help the Stallones Reviews channel, please consider supporting me on Patreon. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to my videos. We here at Stallones Reviews want to help you find the next thing you would love to build, and that $3 may save you a lot more by giving you a heads up. Finally, wrapping up this review, though the book didn't use numbering from the bags were still used sequentially. The instructions were challenging to interpret at times, but it was still manageable, and I really like the look of the Blue Lightning. My kid and I love driving the Blue Lightning around. I rate the Blue Lightning an 8 out of 10 on the Stallones Rock rating, where 1 is easy and 10 is rock hard. What Mould LEGO Technic cars or trucks have you built? What did you think? Please talk to me about it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to see my latest videos. If you're in a position to do so, please consider supporting me on Patreon so I can review more stuff. The link is in the description. Alright, this is Stallones Reviews on location. We are trying out this Mould little buggy here. I believe it's called the Lightning. And we're going to just give it to its paces here and see how it does. Forward and backward. It goes forward and backwards. It does indeed turn.
Backs up.
We have Stallones Reviews Jr. here. Also helping out. Uh-oh. I've lost the subject.
Turn around, camera. Turn around.
There we go. Little DJI Osmo thing has a not great ability to hold on to the car here, but we're going to take it off-road here. and see how she does. We are not real optimistic, but we're going to give it a shot.
Can't survive carpet. How will it survive bumping grass?
Yeah, let's see.
And leaves. Leaves.
Oh, it did better than I thought it would. Yay!
It's better than it is with.
Whoa!
Nope, it's stuck.
Oh, it's stuck.
It's stuck.
Oh,
So I go retrieve the car?
I'll get it. You, I'm Stallones Reviews. Go ahead. Make sure it's on camera here. I don't have film. It's probably not. Hold it. Don't go anywhere yet. Okay. Give it around. Whoa! Well, I had it and then totally lost it. Back up. Okay, now it's got it. I think maybe the tracking's just not set up fast enough for it to follow. Sorry, this is a new camera, folks. We're getting used to it.
No. No. I just wanted it to go straight.
Go, Stallones Jr., go! Oh, I lost it.
Can I show this to my friends?
Yeah, of course. Try that again. Okay.
Do you want me to try and go down the walkway?
Yeah, try to go down the walkway. That'd be cool.
Because it's really hard to get centered.
You're doing good. It's following it. Let's see how far it goes before it loses it. Pretty good so far. It's not all bad.
Oh, back up. When should I be on camera, Dad?
I don't know.
Sorry.
Okay, let's try to track again. Okay.
I wonder if it's survive the rough terrain of other places, other sidewalks.
At least after all that Red Bull, I'm a little more awake now.
I don't like energy drinks.
Me neither. They're really bad for your kidneys.
Or
But there was the only way I was going to stay awake.
is Gatorade considered an energy drink?
No. That's an electrolyte sports drink. I
Sports
like
drinks-
think it's energy, but it has sugar in it, which helps.
So sports drinks are healthier than actual energy drinks.
Oh, far healthier. Sports drinks are just a little electrolytes and some sugar. And you can get sugar free for that matter.
Do you think we'd be allowed to do this actually in the park?
I have no idea. Probably not. They'd probably get grumpy. You know adults, they get grumpy.
Yeah, it's just a tiny car.
Wait, lost it.
We wouldn't be assaulting anybody with the car.
Okay, should have it.
I mean, I think
Nope.
the only issue would be having other people on camera.
Okay, do it. So now that we're learning how to use the camera, things are going much better.
And I'm learning how to use this.
Yep.
Wasn't I supposed to be the one manning the camera?
Yeah, you were. But you're learning how to drive. That's important too, I think.
Right.
Cool, go for it.
I'm soaking up cars whenever a car. Maybe a fatal accident for the car.
Okay, after we get around here, then I'll go down the sidewalk and you can hold the camera.
Aww. I like driving a car.
It is fun, isn't it?
I wonder if I could
I'm really
drive.
curious how long the battery's gonna last is what I want to know.
I wonder if it's small enough for the car to drive under our car.
I don't know. I don't want to try. Oh, almost lost it.
Park.
Wait. Okay.
There we go. I parked.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Yes.
Any idea of the driver at this point?
I
Let me know if you're losing it on the camera.
don't know how is it. Will I know if I'm losing it if it's red?
Yeah, and I also won't be tracking anymore. I'm really curious to see how long the batteries last overall. But
I think I lost it. Okay.
I'll try to go slow. So on flat ground, this thing is great.
On grass or carpet, fails.
The struts on the front right wheel, I believe it was.
They keep coming apart, right?
Kept coming apart. I took a little piece of clear cellophane, you know, plastic wrap, and put it on the ball joint, and to make it a little larger. And it seems to have done the job so far. It hasn't come off yet. So a little bit of cellophane can do wonders sometimes. Even though I really hate plastic wrap because I can never make it work.
Yeah. Right, Dad, we lost it.
Nah.
No. Oh, my nails. Tappy.
I hope this video works. It's the first video I've done on this camera. I hope it works out. It'd be funny to do this for no reason.
Yeah, this is the kind of thing I really want to show my friends because my friends would enjoy this.
Yeah.
I could teach them how to drive.
You can do the next lap after we get back on.
Yay!
We're not going to be here forever, but yeah, we'll do a few laps and both get better at steering, and then also see how much longer the battery lasts. I mean, I'm actually kind of surprised it's lasted as long as it has. Sometimes these batteries can be really crummy.
If me and my friends ever start a YouTube channel, I feel like I'm going to end up being the camera person, since I'm probably the only one who knows how to work a camera.
Well, that could be a possibility. I thought maybe you should work on video editing, just like
editing? Then I'd have to be the editor too.
That Ryan George got. That's how he started out as an editor.
Oh yeah.
That's what he went to university for. Then he did editing.
Hey, it's my turn.
Oh, that's right. My bad.
Thank you. I'm gonna have to work out just to be able to lift that thing. That thing's heavy.
It is heavy for being aluminum. Oh, don't go too far out. Okay, you can go.
Gotta catch up with the car.
This is cool because I actually have the tripod, you know, turn, but it's
I know,
self-leveling.
I felt it turning. I'm like, why is it turning?
It's self-leveling. Gimbals is awesome.
Look how better I am at driving this than my dad.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I just better at remote control stuff.
I am actually really good, really crummy at it if I'm driving towards myself.
I can drive towards myself. It's not bad. Why does this thing have like tiny Lego bricks? Because like, that doesn't make sense. Because what would you attach?
I don't know, whatever you want. Oh, you ran off the road.
I know, I paid more attention to the thing. But I guess I paid attention before I got stuck. That's like a tiny parking place.
Sure. So this is lap 3 almost,
yes.
Right? Okay. Yeah, I actually had it run over some stuff that did really pretty well on, but that was also when the ball joint kept coming apart. But it would be nice to have some rough stuff to run over, just to kind of test it. Okay, my turn. You're gonna have to recenter the camera.
Are we just gonna do this until it dies?
Maybe. That sounds like fun.
Where is it? That is Ma calling us like, where are you?
No. It might be starting to get low.
Yeah, I had a little technical difficulties with going forward when we were almost done with the third lap.
Seems like it's going slower.
Yeah.
Think I should give this to the neighbor kids?
No, I want to use it.
Okay.
I want to show it to my friends.
Okay.
And I want to see if I can attach a GoPro to it.
We have to win a GoPro first.
I want a GoPro for my birthday. You already got me too many things for my birthday.
Yeah, you should have said something a long time ago.
I said, yes, I want a GoPro for my Christmas present. So that when I'm older, because I mean, it's unlikely that either I won't get parental permission to have my friends on camera, or my friends won't want to be on camera, or I just won't hang out places with my friends. I lost it. There we go. And other things like that. No, here we go. Get the car. Get the car. Get the car. There we go. But at least I'll have a GoPro when I'm older, and I can actually hang out with my friends.
Mm-hmm. This still is pretty good. So how long have we been filming? What's it say on the corner screen?
It's 16 and a half minutes.
So 16 minutes of drive time, or thereabouts. We'll say 14. Give the time to leave this thing off. 14 minutes of battery time, battery life isn't hateful. I would love to see if there's a way to get more powerful motors so that you could actually go into grass and stuff and have enough torque to actually move in grass. That would be awesome.
Yeah.
It looks like it's supposed to go off-road, but it sure can't. I wonder how it would do in sand. I wonder if we could find some place for sand.
Well, there's lakes nearby. Well, maybe we could bring it if we ever visit a lake.
I wonder if there's a quarry around that we could go to. Okay.
My turn. The Caroline bells.
Don't go too far. It gets too small for it to track it. Okay.
Yeah, we have to figure out how to. Maybe it's have to GoPro to this, and then I'm gonna. Oh wait, maybe I can make a video and post it on your channel about how to attach a GoPro.
Mm-hmm.
And figuring out how to use a GoPro. So basically, from what I have found, the arrows on the left of this, I should probably show this.
Yeah.
It has like, the left would probably be like, I think it's like where it goes. Like it's more like the power, and the right buttons are like where it turns, because left, right,
Yep.
back.
Yep.
And they do the coordinating button on
Hold
the
it.
left.
Hold it. Okay, there we go. I think that's going to be our last lap there.
Yeah, it's definitely losing power.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going as fast.
It did pretty good though. I mean, I'm impressed with its drive time. That's not bad. Let's drag the trunk there. We'll pop them in there in a second.